All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something that is totally transforming the cleaning industry. We're talking about specialized software and how it's gone from a nice-to-have to an absolute must-have for any modern cleaning business that wants to grow. Let's get into how the right tech can really set you apart.
So first off, let's just talk about the sheer size of this opportunity. By 2025, the cleaning services industry is set to be a $74 billion market. That is huge. There's a piece of that pie for everyone, but, with massive growth comes massive challenges. And that brings us to this big question. If the market is absolutely booming, why does it feel like just running your business day to day is getting more and more complicated? Well, you're not imagining things. The answer really lies in all the new pressures that come along with this kind of growth.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to connect the dots for you. We'll start with the pressures you're facing and the software built to handle them. Then we'll get into the real numbers, your return on investment. After that, we'll look at the must-have features, how to choose the right platform, and finally, a peek into the future of clean.
Okay, first up, let's really unpack the challenges every cleaning business is up against right now and why tech isn't just an option anymore, it's the answer.
I mean, does this list feel a little too real? You've got rising costs for gas and supplies, the never-ending search for good, reliable staff, all while more and more competitors pop up and your clients expect faster, better service. Trying to juggle all of that with spreadsheets and sticky notes, it's becoming practically impossible. And this is where cleaning business software comes into play. Think of it as your command center. It takes all the essential pieces of your business and puts them in one place. You've got FSM or Field Service Management for managing your crews out in the field. You've got CRM, your customer relationship tool, to keep track of every client detail. And it rolls all that up with your scheduling and invoicing into one streamlined system.
This really puts it in black and white, doesn't it? On one hand, you have the old way. Spreadsheets, Google Calendar, maybe some paper forms. It's all disconnected, requires a ton of manual work, and, let's be honest, is just begging for mistakes. On the other hand, specialized software is built for you. It's integrated, it's automated, and it's tailored for the unique way a cleaning business actually works. It's just smarter. Okay, so we know what it is, but what's in it for you, for your bottom line? Let's talk about the real, tangible results, the actual return on your investment when you make this switch.
Let's start with productivity, because this one is a game changer. Businesses that switch to a proper field service management software see, on average, a 20 to 30% increase in how many jobs they can get done. That's not just a little bump. That's a fundamental change in what your business is capable of, doing more jobs with the exact same team.
And the wins just keep stacking up. Your ROI comes from all over. We're talking about saving up to 25% on operating costs, getting paid nearly a third faster thanks to streamlined invoicing, slashing your admin time by as much as half, and boosting customer retention by 25% because you're providing better service. It's not just about being more organized, it's about being more profitable.
And hey, if you're thinking this is just for the huge national chains, think again. More than 60% of service businesses of all sizes are already using these kinds of digital tools. This isn't some niche trend anymore. It's quickly becoming the standard for how you compete and grow.
So if those are the results, what's actually making it all happen? What's under the hood of this software? Let's open up the toolkit and look at the features that really drive that value.
Here's how it all connects. Smart scheduling doesn't just put jobs on a calendar. It optimizes routes to save you drive time and fuel. Automated invoicing gets bills out instantly so cash flow improves. A good CRM remembers a client's specific needs, which makes them feel valued and boost retention. A mobile app keeps your office and your crews on the same page, always. And of course, analytics. That's what turns your day-to-day data into a roadmap for smart growth.
Okay, so it's pretty clear this stuff is powerful. But there are a lot of options out there. How in the world do you choose the one that's right for your business? Let's walk through how you can make a confident choice. So here's just a quick snapshot of the landscape. You've got great all-arounders like Jobber or AllBetter Field, which are perfect for small to medium-sized businesses. Then you have heavy hitters like Aspire, built for massive commercial jobs. And you even have super specialized tools like ZenMaid, which is all about residential cleaning, or Swept for janitorial companies. The whole point is to find the software whose strengths line up perfectly with what you do every day.
Here's a simple 6-step checklist to make it easy. 1. Know what you need. Are you residential? Commercial? A mix? 2. Set your budget. 3. Do your homework. Read reviews on sites like G2 and Captara. 4. And this is the most important one. Use the free trials. You wouldn't buy a car without a test drive, right? Same thing here. 5. Make sure it plays nice with the tools you already use, like QuickBooks. And 6. Think about tomorrow. Will this software grow with you?
And finally, let's look ahead. Because picking the right software isn't just about fixing today's headaches, it's about setting your business up to win in the future.
The next big leap is already on its way. We're talking about artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and even more advanced automation. And this isn't sci-fi stuff. It's being built into these platforms as we speak.
You can really see how this is all evolving. Right now, having a cloud-based system with a mobile app is the standard. In the very near future, we'll see AI predicting your busy seasons for you or telling you when a vacuum needs service before it breaks. And then, on the horizon, you'll have IoT, the Internet of Things. Imagine smart soap dispensers that tell you when they're low, or using virtual reality to train new staff safely and efficiently. It's coming.
So what does all this cool future tech really mean for you? It means even more efficiency. Experts are predicting this next wave of automation could wipe out up to 40% of the admin work that's left. Just think about that. What could you do with all that time back in your day?
So we'll leave you with this one last thought. Technology is completely changing the game, making cleaning businesses faster, smarter, and way more profitable. Your competition is already making these moves, so the only question left is, are you ready to evolve too? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.